Hey everyone, I'm doing a quick unboxing of an order I placed during the Black Friday sale at a Cherry on Top. Let me get him out of the way. There was this cute little sticker in the box that says, "You're the cherry on top." I thought that was cute. I ordered some stamps, not really any rhyme or reason to what I ordered. I just thought they were cute. I love these little cats in a cup. And so I went ahead and got those. I'm still hoping to make some Christmas cards before, it's too late. And this guy is just too cute. I've seen him all over the place and I love it. And then, of course, I was in there looking at a picket fence stuff and I found these. And I was like, yeah, great for Christmas, but technically I don't have to use them for Christmas. They can be used for winter or other things. And some of them really remind me of my two girls. So I thought that they would be perfect. And I do love the sayings that come with them as well. And each and every one of them are so stinking cute. I grabbed a little bit of Vicki Boutin, Discover Create. I did not grab any embellishments. I don't think I even realized that until I opened the box. But I got this one. I mean, you can fussy cut so much of that out. And it's a beautiful tealy polka dot tone on tone on the back. I don't know if you can see that. And I love this. I love that the strip goes all the way across. Even if it's just on one side, that's fantastic. And these obviously can definitely fussy cut those out. And they're gorgeous. And again, another strip and a beautiful blue. It looks like wood grain on that one. I love these. More beautiful flowers, two different tones of blue, and then another great branding strip there. And then the pattern here was gorgeous too. I love these leaves. I really do. I'm gonna have to go back and do some more shopping because I like the ones that you can get in a pack that are white and you can change their color and everything. They're gorgeous. And then this is really pretty too. My cat decided I'm not sure if he's going to check out the window and actually go out it or if he's going to chill on the desk. These, I love these. I probably will get another couple sheets of these because I like the way that they are. I like the size of them and I like the different headers. They can work for so many different things. That's one reason I got this sheet. I really like that. And then of course, I mean, I always like stuff like this. It's really pretty. I have been working with a mix of Boho Christmas from Simple Stories and then some older stuff from my stash, older basic gray kits or collections. And I just figured I would grab a couple more pieces to go with what I already had. So I got the die cut ephemera bits and pieces in the journaling bits so that I could use those because I didn't have those yet. And then I got the decorative brads as well to go ahead and use. And then I like cutting the tags apart and everything, anything that I can really cut apart. So I grabbed an extra one of those. And then I grabbed an extra one of these because I could also fussy cut those out, even though I have the other ephemera pack. I thought it'd be fun. And I know fall is over, but technically, as Sarah Scraps pointed out, it's not really over until like December 20 something. So I have plenty of fall pictures still to scrapbook. And I loved this 49 and Market collection. It's just gorgeous. And so of course I had to get it. I mean, there are so many things in this. And I love to layer and I love to add so many things. So I thought this would be fun to go ahead and get and play with. So I got this one. I haven't even opened the pack completely. I can't wait to actually go through everything. I got, which one is this? This is the laser cut elements, and there's just so many pieces. Let's see. I got the mixed media leaves, the laser cut mixed media leaves. They're seriously though, beautiful, so beautiful. So I'm excited to play with those as well. And then I got the wildflower laser cuts as well. So there's butterflies and pumpkins and leaves and florals, and they're just gorgeous. Fall doesn't have to be just orange and brown and red and stuff like that. So I love the fact that they brought some pink and this darker purple. I swear this is like my favorite purple, and it's so hard to find in collections. Most companies don't even put purple like actual purple in collections. I love this, the redder one here, but I like the fact that they have a variation. There are a couple companies that do have purple in them, and I love it. But I bought the paper pack, the 12 by 12 paper pack, because I wanted all of them. And then I went ahead and bought the Simple Stories Winter Wonder as well. I bought the collection, Collector's Essentials. So it came with like all the papers, but it also came with a bunch of the ephemera and stuff as well. And then I just went ahead and bought the stuff that it didn't come with, so that I had it as well. I figured why not? Because I can play with all of it throughout the winter, and I just lost a piece out of there. It's a little bitty snowflake, but it came out the top, unfortunately. But that is my quick little haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will be creating with this stuff shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.